Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to design drop-down page or drop-down menu in Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Then you have to click on pages and menu. Now you can choose any page you want. Like I'm choosing the landing page. So under this landing page, I'm gonna add two pages. So I'm gonna do it add page. Click on blank page. Now I'm gonna name this page sub1. Sub1, click on done. One page has been created. Now gonna pay another page, name is sub2. Sub2, click on done. Now we have I'm gonna do this sub1 page to the landing page. This is now sub page 1. I'm gonna do the same with this landing page sub2. Okay, now if I click on preview, in this landing page there is two page. Click on this landing page and you'll find two page, sub1 and sub2. So this is how you can make a drop down menu in or drop down page in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.